What's up, guys? We're gonna be trying out slime. Well, hands up or back. So let's go to the first thing. We got it. So I just have to add hold on. I finished putting the hand soap. Now we have to go get the shampoo. I don't know if you guys like this one. This one I have. Okay. Don't mind it. Time to mix me mix. I don't know why you guys say I let it take it so long, so I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, good. Everything looks like it's turning to slime, but I'm gonna add some color because it's like light pink. Okay. Last time I put it in, look at it. It looks like it's turning to slime. Oh my god! But we have to put it in the refrigerator now. Then, guys, you have to add the paper towel me.